Double G refrigerator craft ice. The shape of the craft ice may vary depending on the water quality in the installation location and operating conditions. The variance in shapes is normal. Half sphere of ice could be caused by lack of water supply to the ice maker. This is especially true for the first few batches of craft ice produced after the refrigerator is installed. The main causes of this issue are water filter replacement without flushing. Please try to dispense water efficiently and wait to produce new craft ice. You may need to run through 2 or 3 batches of craft ice before the quality and consistency of the ice improves. Ice shape will be back to normal. You may see increased variability in ice shape after replacing the water filter. This is especially true if you do not flush air and contaminants out of the water lines after replacing the filter. Dispense about 2.5 gallons of water and wait for the ice maker to produce the next batch of craft ice. It may take a couple of batches before the ice quality and shape become consistent again. If the ice is consistently hemispherical, the ice maker may not be getting enough water. This is common for the first few batches of craft ice produced after installation. Ice shape variations can also be the result of a lack of water supply to the ice maker. This may be caused by low house water pressure or a clogged water filter. If the water filter has been in use for nearly 6 months, it may need to be replaced. Replace the water filter and flush out air and contaminants by dispensing 2.5 gallons of water. If this doesn't improve the shape of the ice, make sure that the house water pressure is high enough. For best results, the water pressure to the refrigerator should be at least 21 psi. It is also common to see a raised ridge or a ring around the perimeter of the ice. The craft ice maker uses 2 separated trays to make round ice. While the water is freezing, the water volume expands and the water comes into the gap between trays. The frozen water in the gap stays attached to the craft ice as a ring or drops off into the ice bucket as ice chips. A raised tab at the top of the ice is created when too much water is supplied to the tray. The amount of water supplied may vary depending on operating conditions. The variety of ice shapes is normal.